If you get these annoying Microsoft messages zikikwambia you activate your office, here are two ways you can solve that. Firstly, unaweza tumia the online version of the Microsoft Office, also known as the Microsoft 365, that only requires your email address upon signing up or logging in. And you can access the Microsoft 365 apps such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for free without having to activate them. Now, the trick here is that you always have to be connected to an internet connection for you to access the Microsoft 365 online version. On the second method, which is my favorite, you can decide to use an alternative of the Microsoft Office such as the Libre Office. Nilisikia Libre is a French word meaning free, so you can use Office for free. You just have to head over to your browser and search for the Libre Office, download and install it, and there you have a Microsoft Office alternative. The things I like about Libre Office is that it's free to use, it is open source and very easy to use. If you'd love a detailed video on how to download and install the Libre Office, make sure you comment down below